So let's take a look and go back to the old metal yard. See if I can find what I need. That one will do, I think. It's got plenty of tubing. I think they're long enough. Yeah. This one's got some heavier stuff. These are crates from, you know, places that sell supplies for tractors and stuff like that. I guess lawn equipment or ATVs and stuff come on them, but super good metal. They're pretty heavy duty. I need to do something with this. It's going to kill my grass. Because I'm sure you can tell I care about my grass. Anyway, let me get this piece right here moved up closer to the garage so I can start doing some measurements and some cutting. I don't think I need maximum setting for that.
Probably not.
A little much. Oh yeah. Whoa, I got a hell of a fire. Yikes. It'll weld through it.
Oh yeah.
They'll grow.
That's weld water.
Yeah, weld water. That'll do that. There we go. It's all tacked together.
Oh man.
Not shabby. Dead level.
Dead level at every angle.
I don't want my cooler rolling around.
Well, that's true. It's got wheels.
Yeah. Tack these. There we go. I'll finish welding them up in a minute.
Yeah, tacked in right well.
Hello, welcome back. So yesterday we got the trunk floor frame installed, and today we're going to skin it. We're going to use 22, and I'll probably use 16 for here, just to keep it from getting too dented up. The whole floor here will be 22, and that'll be fine. So, first things first, I guess we better figure out how best to lay this out, and if I need to put any more reinforcements maybe here in the middle. Since I'm using 22, I don't want large spans like that, because I'm pretty sure they'll dent, even with beads. So, let me take a look at that, and I'll get right back. Oh yeah, definitely going to want to support in the middle. That's where the bulk of the weight's going to be, and that's definitely going to need to happen. So we'll definitely go ahead and throw one of those in there real quick. And I'm planning on, I want to make this removable, semi-removable, the floor, so I can access all of the evap stuff that's here, and my fuel filler hose, and the shock that's right there, and all that good stuff, and the wiring. So I'm probably just going to pop rivet it down so I can drill them out and remove it as I need to. But anyway, that's for later when I get this frame put together. So let me take some measurements, get on that, and I'll get right back. Hooray! Enormously overbuilt. I like it. I know what you're thinking. It's hard to believe I've had no formal welding training. I can't believe it either. It's shocking. Alright, that's welded up. Hooray! Now let me see what I'm going to do next. I don't know yet, so hold on. Oh, I got off the line. That's why you should bolt this stuff down in an area that you have plenty of room to work. Never gonna get a job at NASA like this. These tolerances are way too far out.
This thing is amazing, and it makes it so much stronger.
It really does.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's it.
Yep.
As far as we need to go.
Trunk.
Trunk.
Part one.
Exactly.
Big panels.
Big panels fill big areas.
That's fine.
I like it.
Yeah, man.
Now we do that little top area, and we've got trunk.
Got trunk. Yep, that'll do. Jesus. You're not burning through, you're not welding, apparently. Whatever. Fill in. Well, that's looking like done to me. Yep, trunk floor. She's a real beaut, Clark. Welds like that, you treat them right, they'll last you for the better part of 5 minutes.
Woohoo! All right, utilizing the good old pop rivet.
No, I wouldn't be able to take this off. If I weld it, I'll never be able to get it off. Not really a fan of pop rivets, but they do good work.
Well, they do work. They're holding it down.
Trying to get rid of the...
Yeah.
Of course, some of that's probably the stuff bouncing around on it.